What determines your reality? A person asked. And it's a beautiful question. Some are early comers, some are late comers. And that is perfectly fine. Because finally, what matters is that you come. Jesus often used to tell a story. It must be his favorite. Very short, very simple, and yet very significant. Jesus said, there was a rich man, very rich, must be a billionaire. And one day he needed some laborers in his garden to work. So he sent a man to the marketplace. All the laborers who were available were called, and they started working in the garden. Then others heard, and they came in the afternoon. Then others heard, and they came just when the sun was setting. But he employed them. And when the sun went down, he gathered all of them and paid them equally. Obviously, those who had come in the morning became disappointed and said, what injustice? What type of injustice is this? What are you doing? We came in the morning and we worked the whole day, and these fellows, they came in the afternoon. Just for 2 hours they worked, and a few have just come in the evening. They have not worked at all. This is injustice. The rich man laughed and said, don't think of others. Whatever I have given to you, is it not enough? They said, it is more than enough, but it is injustice. Why are these people getting when they have just come? Now, the rich man in this story represents God. God is eternal consciousness. The early comers are complaining, they are protesting, arguing, and yelling. This is what happens when the focus is lost. Focus and appreciation for the rewards received must be expressed. But instead, the focus shifts to others, to the rewards that others have received. This is what happens when you lose your focus and start comparing. Comparing leads to jealousy, and jealousy leads to unending miseries. And miseries will trap you, suffocate you, hold you so much to its grip that you would never return on the path of self-righteousness. When the focus is lost, your self-development stops, your progress stops, your growth stops, and eventually your life becomes static. And a lost life, a lost person, an unconscious person can do only one thing very passionately, and that is to complain. Just the way these early comers were complaining, they yelled and they protested, but the rich man was not moved at all. He knew that he was dealing with unconscious people, people who have lost their focus. And so the rich man smiled and said, I give them because I have got too much. Out of my abundance I give them. You need not be worried about this. You have got more than you expected, so don't compare. I am not giving them because of their work. I am giving them because I have got too much out of my abundance. God is always willing to give, no matter when and what time you come, early or late, you are going to receive His love as far as you come, as far as you remain focused, and as far as you do not indulge in comparing with others. Saints will receive, for they come in the morning. Sinners will receive, and they may come in the evening. Everyone is going to receive. It is a gift. The moment you become conscious, you have arrived. And then the gift showers on you. That gift is called blessing. That gift is called infinite love. When you focus on God, you start becoming conscious, and that opens the door to infinite love. Only a conscious soul can experience true love. Love is always in abundance. It is an ocean, and its depth is simply immeasurable. Jesus said, "Some work very hard to achieve the divine. Some come just in the afternoon, and some when the sun is setting. And they all get the same divine. There is no discrimination in the kingdom of God." When you fix your thoughts on God, God fixes your thoughts. The more you remain focused on God, your miseries would become less. The more you remain focused on others, your miseries would become more. Focus on rising to be what God called you to be, and you will go a long way than those who had ridiculed you. Winners always focus on winning, while losers always focus on others. When you spend your energy in pulling down others, or causing harm to someone, or being jealous all the time, you are going to progress. You are never going to progress. Not possible. Even if you do, it will be short lived. To be a winner, to live a successful life, to experience the divine, and to experience that perfect happiness called bliss, you must remain focused on the positive elements of your life. Your self development without having any ill feelings or causing any harm to others. Then nobody can stop you from achieving the raise and the progress you have been longing for. The path of positivity has never failed anyone from the very beginning of time. Always remember, your focus determines your reality. You must remain focused on your journey to greatness. Meditate.